How to enable Shopify Payments in mobile app. To enable Shopify Payments in the Shopify mobile app, start by opening the app and tapping the store icon at the bottom. Then go to Settings and tap on Payments. Under the Payment Provider section, you'll see Shopify Payments. Tap Complete Account Setup to begin. From here, you'll be asked to enter key business details like your business type, address, banking information, and tax identification if required in your region. This information is used to verify your account and ensure secure transactions. You will also be asked to enter your customer support details, which will appear on your customer's billing statements. Once everything is filled out, tap Save or Submit, and Shopify will begin processing your setup. It may take a little time for verification, but once approved, you'll be able to accept credit card payments directly through Shopify without needing a third-party provider. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.